everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. We're going to be doing the draw tonight for the Across the Globe Date Night Dancing with Color, the Poor Attitude cups. This cup here is the 26 ouncer and it says Poor Attitude and Proud of It. This guy here is a 16 ounce and it says I have a poor attitude. We got a little red leaky cup with holes in it. Little leaky cup, no saying on that one is too little. And then we've got a swipe sheet that says Poor Attitude, and I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up for you, but it does say Poor Attitude on it. So there we go, there's our Poor Attitude kit, and I'm going to give everybody's name that had commented on my channel, should have commented on all the other channels. So I've taken everybody's name and put them in this barrel, and Greg's going to draw the winner. So let me just give it a little spin, and we'll do it.
Who has one of these things? There's a couple stuck up on the rod that you knocked off.
Yeah, we got a couple of bar hoppers here.
Yeah.
Go figure, hey? Let's see if I can get it off there first. I'll just give it another quick little spin. Women, bar hoppers, you know, back in the day. Just bringing back old memories, right? Okay. I'm only going to do the one spin so nothing gets hooked up on there. I'm going to open it up for you, hon, and you can draw the winner.
And I'm not looking.
Greg's not looking. He's pulling the winner out. You got one? You think you got one?
I got, yep, it's one. And the winner is Joy E.
Oh, Joy E. I'll just show it. Hopefully it'll pick it up. Joy E, you are the winner. You're going to be able to get a hold of us on the email Greg's going to be putting up on the screen right now. Email us and give us your address and we'll ship this out to you right away. Now stick around, everybody. There's a video coming up. You're going to love it. Thanks again, everyone.
Bye.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got a 10 by 20 canvas in front of me and I'm going to try and do a bloom swipe. And maybe get a little creative with it. Who knows? We'll see. You never know what I'm going to do. The colors I'm going to use are Amsterdam's Quinacridone Rose Light, which is this pretty pink color right here. And I've also got a couple of this little piggy pigments. I've got Techno, which is the yellow. I've got Funk, which is purple. Velvet, which is a shiny cream color. And Grunge, which is a nice bright green. And then I'm going to also put in some of my Boom Gels. I've got Pearlescent Teal, I've got Causewary Blue, Lectus Green, Lily Pilly Pink, and Pearlescent Watermelon. So those are the colors I'm going to be using with just white house paint right out of the can. Alright, that's what my base is going to be, the house paint. Alright, let me put this aside here and we're going to roll. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And I hope each and every one of you have had a chance to check out the collab video that was just released. There's some amazing artists in there. In the description of my video, you'll find all the links to all the artists. It's called Across the Globe Date Night Dancing with Color. It was so much fun, so funny. Definitely worth watching, so I hope you go check it out if you haven't already. Alright, hon, hit some music and let's get some painting. Thanks again, everyone.
I'm a product of my granddad's son. Hard-working hands and a job well done. Skin as thick as railroad ties, and you could see kindness in his eyes. I didn't want to do what he did, but I always wanted to be just like him. Strong enough to stay and fight, a man enough to do what's right. His blood is in my own, the good and the bad in between. I know I'm not She had a boy and had one more. To love and fight, what's a brother for? His blood is in my own. A good and a bad and in between. I know I'm not alone, 'cause looking in the mirror it's plain to see my family. Blood is in my own. The good and the bad and in between. I know I'm not alone, 'cause looking in the mirror it's plain to see my family.
Ain't nobody here to tell me how am I to climb this mountain. Oh, stay right beside me. Watch me climb, watch me climb, watch me.